the policy, as far as we know it, we've looked at it carefully.
Yeah. Okay.
It said that you're not allowed to pray in congregation.
You're not allowed to pray at all in royal parks.
No, that's not what the policy
That's
says.
regulations. It's not a policy. It's a regulation.
Pardon?
It's an act of law.
Here, what it said, as far as we know, first and foremost, this park, it's a royal park. There's like 6 or 7 parks. Now, I read it in their official website. What it said was that you're not allowed to pray in congregation. The information we've been given also from other police officers is that individual acts of worship do not go under that. So in other words, whether they're Christian, Muslim or Jewish, if they want to pray individually, then they're allowed to do so. This is what I have learned.
Okay. And
so,
as a police officer, I'm telling you very nicely, no praying in a royal park.
The royal parks does not permit collective acts of worship or other religious observances in the TRP estate. This includes spoken or sung communal prayers or other events that are primarily religious in focus. Your jobs are not to create policies or laws. Your jobs are to enforce them.